Today we are reviewing these gloves from Temu. Now these gloves cost me $4.75. Let's go ahead and see if it was a fail or if we actually got a good deal. Okay, right away we see that you can actually zipper them to make them tight and then zipper them to loosen them up. The fabric feels pretty nice. Nice little grip there. Some type of silicone maybe. Some type of, yeah, like a stretchy material, plasticky silicone, I would say. Or something related. That's standard in gloves. It doesn't seem to be as grippy as, let's say, something from Amazon so far. But, of course, you're not paying $9.99 or $15.99 or $20.99 or more. They do come connected and you can just separate them from there. Let's see if they're true to size as I take large. They are true to size. I mean, a little loose around the wrist. I wish there was another way to make it a little tighter, but that's okay. Normally that would be under your sleeve. They definitely feel a little loose around the wrist, but up at the fingers and everything, it's tight, as you guys can easily see. I mean, they're not going to come off. As you guys can see, they're not going to come off. They stay on. A little bit of a fur right there. A little bit of a, not sure what kind of material it is. It was flaking off a little bit. Go over here and give it a gentle tug. Some does come off. That can be normal sometimes if the quality is not, top notch. But as you can see, it is a little bit insulated. Definitely not your full winter gloves. Here you go. You can see the insulation kind of ends at some parts and then it continues at some parts. So to be quite honest, my honest opinion, I mean, for under $5, I think they're nice gloves. They're great walking gloves, maybe riding your bike, scooter, maybe if it's not super cold out, or if you just need working gloves, something, it's not too cold out, but you want gloves, or you're handling trash, or just something like that. Yeah, I like them. I'll be using them. Probably use them when I spread salt around in the wintertime, or when I go take our dog for a walk. And it does have this feature. I will actually test this out. So you're supposed to be able to use your phone with this.